school together, but we didn't really start hanging out until the end of 8th grade year, and then we just started hanging out more and more, and I finally asked her out.
Rock, paper, scissors, it?
Well, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me first. You want me to go first?
No, I'll go.
Okay.
When I'm around you, nothing can go wrong. You always know how to make me feel better. I still remember all of our first dates, from going to the movies, walking to Steak and Shake for milkshakes after, and all the fun times we went bowling with our friends.
We have a special bond that has formed over the years we have grown up together. Since meeting you, you have changed me. You have made me a better person, introduced me to God, and for that I'm forever grateful.
I now pronounce you husband and wife, no longer two but one in interest, in destiny, in love, and in life. What God has joined together, let no man separate. You may kiss your bride.